Hi, my name is Adrian. I'm a part-time internet marketer and I've been receiving email from Aaron for many years. I read every email that he sent to me because I like the copywriting very much. Also, the graphic and video presentations in Supersales Machine are stunning and their products are of good quality and at a very affordable price. I can say that I'm a diehard fan of Super Sales Machine because I have not found any website that come close to Super Sales Machine where they install and do every tedious works for us. In internet marketing, I think the easiest way to earn an income is through affiliate marketing. I like affiliate marketing because for me, creating a product is not an easy job. Not to mention creating a hot selling product. It needs even more skill and experience. Even we outsource through Fiverr is still a headache because a lot of things need to be done and solved. So affiliate marketing is definitely my first choice. When I first saw the review sites created by Super Sales Machine, I was totally impressed because all the sales video, opt-in form, keyword research, product research, etc. are done for us. This can save us a lot of time to find the goal niche products to promote. These proven high quality digital products with high conversion rate will sure make a handsome commission for us. I have never seen such a review site membership that install everything for us and make us look like a pro affiliate marketers immediately. Even one review site will take me weeks to do the research and copywriting. I cannot imagine how long I need if I were to create a total of 24 review sites. $97 for 24 sites. That means $4 per review site. That is definitely cheaper than to outsource the work and ask other experts to create. So I would highly recommend anyone like me who is busy, who is not good in copywriting, and who is not technically sound to jump into this offer and to immediately profit from the huge untapped niche market. I believe we can leverage on the Super Sales Machine line of products and services to create our dream online business faster and cheaper. Also, we can have a great success with their unique system that we cannot find elsewhere. I believe Super Sales Machine will become even better this year by adding a lot of great features into their system and by staying ahead of the trend in this fast-changing world of internet marketing. Thank you.
Please click the link in the description to see official site and access Super Sales Machine system for free.